Fatima from India.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam.
Sheikh, my question is, how should verse 33 of Surah Al-Ahzab be understood in relation to women pursuing careers outside the home while trying to comply with Islamic principles?
How should you do what?
How should we understand the verse 33 of Surah Al-Ahzab in relation to women pursuing careers outside the home while they also try to
Yeah, the verse 33 of chapter 33 is directed to the mothers of the believers. Allah says, وَقَرْنَ فِي بُيُوتِكُنَّ وَلَا تَبَرَّجْنَ تَبَرُّجُ الْجَاهِلِيَّةِ. Allah says, remain in your homes. This is a command to the mothers of the believers not to leave the house. And then this was abrogated by the hadith where the Prophet permitted them ﷺ to leave their homes whenever there's a legitimate reason for that. Now, do the rest of the women of the Muslims fall under this command? The most likely is yes. And they are obliged to remain home because this is their kingdom, this is where their family is, this is with the vast majority of their effort should be focused on the husband and the children in normal cases. Now, they have the permission from Islam to leave, and we can see this clearly in the Sunnah, in the biography, in the seerah of the Prophet ﷺ, where the Muslim female companions used to go, used to work in fields, used to sometimes go accompanying their husbands in expeditions with the Prophet ﷺ, used to travel, used to serve sometimes their husbands by feeding their horses and taking care of them, as in the case of Asma bint Abi Bakr, may Allah be pleased with her and with her father. So you cannot understand one ayah by neglecting the rest of the Qur'an and the ahadith. You can understand these evidences from the Qur'an and the Sunnah by looking at the holistic picture of the Qur'an and the Sunnah so that nothing conflicts or contradicts or go against each other. Once you do this, you understand that there is no problem in a woman getting out of her house with the permission of her guardian, whether a father or a husband, to study, to work, providing that no red lines are crossed when doing so. So studying and working must be in a segregated environment where she's abiding by the hijab, not free mixing, not socializing, not being exposed to the opposite gender, which may endanger her chastity and iman. And by doing so, it all falls into place.